Hello, my name is Daryl Gallup, and I'm the instructor for the course Mercury Management in the Petroleum Industry. This is a collaborative effort between Thermochem, the company that I work for, and Rhenindo, who supplies and provides the training for the petroleum industry. In Mercury Management, we have a focus on the impacts of mercury with respect to our industry, and those impacts are primarily corrosion, toxicity to personnel and to plants and animals, and environmental aspects. And finally, we finish up with a discussion of mercury removal technologies, which is impacted in our industry, especially due to the fact that these removal technologies cost money, so there's an economic penalty for having to deal with the mercury in our industry. The course is developed so that it can cover very basic ideas about mercury, or we can get into more expert topics. We do this so that we can work with those people who are attending who may be very beginners, if you will, in mercury and do not have much experience, or those who have extensive experience in mercury. The people who should attend this course can be operators, managers, supervisory personnel, and would be useful for those people working in corrosion and materials aspects, health, environment, and safety, and also those people who are in industrial hygiene or medical fields where we're worried about protecting the environment and personnel from exposures to mercury, realizing that mercury is a toxic substance, and we need to do that which we can to try to control it to the best of our ability.
My name is Sandy, and my other co-workers is Harum, and I guess that's all from me. Welcome and have a great training.
No matter where we happen to encounter mercury, if we're going to be around the mercury, whether it's in the laboratory because we're a laboratory chemist that's doing the analyses, or whether we're out in the field, roles within the companies trying to have a better understanding of mercury management, long before we just only say, well, there's so much mercury there. And here's the black medicine of that we typically see in our industry. If wherever their water is being discharged, they could be actually making a mercury problem. All of a sudden they've got lots of failures in the aluminum.
Mainly from the incident that happened in Singapore, the guys doing the shot blasting on the hull tanks.
I think that this massive amount of total water, and probably the streams that have mercury in it really are smaller parts of the streams. But then once you get the
operators are required to wear the full PPEs.
Yeah, we just finished a course on mercury management and control conducted by Dr. Gallup. This is really wonderful course, very beneficial for industrialists and engineers, and all participants They concentrated on the course, and I should thanks for Rhenindo, Miss Cianti, and Amor for their wonderful support and cooperation and hospitality. Wonderful. The Dr. Daryl Gallup is very knowledgeable, and he has given wonderful presentation and knowledge to all participants, and some subject specialists also contributed from the audience. This I'll also appreciate, especially Mr. Lee, Mr. Ron, Mr. Kum, and some other industry friends. They shared their experience and knowledge with all of us, and this interaction of those people is really gave some boost for the presentation and learning. So I am very happy. I'm taking lot of tips and lot of safety and awareness about this, the Mercury management. Thank you for Rhenindo. Thank you for Cianti.
Nama saya Maria, saya dari Premier Oil. Saya mengikuti training mengenai Mercury training pada hari ini, dan saya merasa bahwa training ini sangat membantu bagi saya yang ingin mendalami mengenai Mercury. Dari training ini kita akan tahu mengenai Mercury, terutama bagi saya yang penting untuk mengenai efek Mercury ini terhadap pekerja. Jadi saya menyarankan bagi Bapak Ibu sekalian yang ingin mengikuti atau mendapatkan informasi mengenai Mercury untuk mengikuti training ini.
My name is Rhenindo. I'm from Exterran, working as a QHC manager. Training was really good, very informative, and we had a really interactive session. And everything was very well coordinated. Thank you very much, Cianti, Rhenindo, for amazing coordination and involvement. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm Roland Biegeman from BMT, Netherlands and in Thailand, and I followed the course for 3 days now on Mercury management, which was very good organized by your company. The only thing is, well, some rumors in the next, the other workshop here, and maybe for the next time to think about that. But they're very well organized for 3 days, and had a lot of fun with the other participants, and learned a lot about Mercury, and I had a opportunity to give my presentation also to them, and they learned a lot also from my presentation. So I'm very happy with this course for 3 days. I think it's value for money. Thank you.